Hello. Are you ready to take your business to the next level by creating a professional, responsive, and engaging website that will help you to reach your target audience and achieve your business goals? I'm Tayseen and I'm a full-stack developer with over 10 years of experience. My expertise lies in Shopify, PHP, Node.js, WordPress, and Webflow. I also have a great experience with Figma and can convert your ideas into perfect and creative designs. I'm a certified expert in these technologies and have a solid understanding of the technical aspects of website design and development. With over 10 years of experience in creating custom websites and e-commerce stores, I'm well equipped to handle projects of any size and complexity. My strong technical skills, combined with my expertise in Shopify, WordPress, and Webflow, make me an ideal candidate for any project requiring a highly skilled and experienced developer. I have a proven track record of working with companies such as Diad as a full-stack developer in Chinaccelerator Shanghai, China back in 2018, Zabel Media based in California, USA as a Webflow and Shopify expert, Omni Digital Agency based in Vancouver, Canada as a Webflow expert, and currently working as a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and Fiverr with 100% job success score and have completed hundreds of projects in Webflow, Shopify and WordPress. I look forward to hearing from you and discussing how I can help take your business to the next level. Thank you and have a great day.